This kit gives you 3 pieces. The 3 pieces, these two are identical, and this is the piece that goes left to right. What you're going to notice is on these 2 pieces, there's different angles on this end as opposed to this end. You want to get them going in the same direction when you assemble them to the centerpiece. Assembly is very easy. Just get the notches to line up, push it together until it bottoms out. Do the same thing on the other side, making sure that this angle and this angle are the same. So the bigger of those 2 angles is going to go to the back of the console, so that when you put it in, it'll drop in very easy from the top. Just drop it in till it hits the bottom. It's tight left and right, tight front and back. There's no movement at all, and at that point it's fully assembled and it's ready to put your stuff back in the console.